Okay, I'm going to review the second test, which was on the Unit 1 days 5 and 6, so the end of Unit 1, and also Unit 2, which was only 2 days long for geometry. So for number 1, it says below is a picture of an angle that has been bisected. Bisected means bi means 2, sect means cut. It's been cut directly in half. And you also know that by these little marks right here. Those angles should equal each other. They don't tell you that in those words, but they said it's been bisected, so you know that 5x plus 11 equals 26. I'm going to pause and solve. Solve the equation. You get x is 3. You type just the 3 in for the answer. Number 2. These two angles add up to 90 degrees, as shown in the diagram. So we go ahead and write our equation. That's the geometry. Now we solve it. That's the algebra. And when we do so, we get x is 21. You can pause this if you want to look at this longer. Number 3, what is true about angles A and B? There may be more than one correct answer. Select all that apply. Well, we know that they're vertical angles, right? Because vertical angles are created and they're congruent with intersecting lines, and they are also congruent. There you go. There are your two answers. Number 4, so I recommended multiple times to draw this on a piece of paper because this information is given, but it's not on the diagram. It's much easier to see when you have information on your diagram. So this angle here is x plus 6 degrees. Bij is 12x minus 2 degrees, and the entire angle is 160 degrees. Once you have that drawn, you can see that x plus 6 plus 12x minus 2 adds up to 160 degrees. Now you solve for x. Now I solved and I got the value of x is 12, so I know that it has to be, I'll cross off that one and cross off that one. So now what is the answer here? Well, I have to plug back in this 12 into whatever angle they want. HIB, here's HIB. HIB is x plus 6 degrees. Our new x is 12, so that's 12 plus 6, which is 18 degrees. So there's your answer. What is the measure of angle ABC? Okay, ABC is right here. Well, we know that angle ABC plus 4x plus 108 should add up to a straight line, which is 180 degrees. So I'll go ahead and solve it. So we go ahead and solve for x. You get x is 12. Now the answer is not 12 because they're asking for the measure of angle ABC. The measure of angle ABC is 2x degrees, and we know our x is now 12. So 2 times 12 is 24. So the answer is 24. Number 6, how do you write the converse of a conditional statement? That's the switch, when you take the hypothesis and the conclusion and you switch them. So that is the last answer here. No negating, no making negative. Number 7, which is a counterexample to, if you live in Loudoun County, then you have been to Shocktober. All right, well, in order to have a counterexample, you've got to live in Loudoun County but not have gone. So that's Mrs. Kamen. She's a perfect counterexample for that statement because she lives in Loudoun County, but she hasn't been. Number 8, the inverse and the converse have the same truth value, and the conditional statement, the original if-then, and its contrapositive have the same conditional or truth statement. Law of syllogism. If it's Friday night, the Kamens will get takeout for dinner. If the Kamens get takeout for dinner, then the kids will get sodas. Well, here's the middleman. Cross it right out. Same, what comes after the then, what comes after the if. So if it's Friday night, then the kids will get sodas. Which answer is that? If it's Friday night, then the kids get sodas. Right there. Number 10, law of detachment. If I spend too much time watching YouTube, then I won't get my homework done. I spend too much time watching YouTube. So therefore, I'm not going to get my homework done. Boom. Last one, contra positive. We switch and make negative. We switch and negate. If I wear my troll wig for homecoming, Spirit Week, then I will win the daily judging competition. So the contra positive is if I don't win the daily judging competition, so it's not this one and it's not this one. Okay, so if I don't where daily judging competition, it has to be this one. Then I won't wear my troll wig. That's it. Yep, that's it. Peace out.